Hi, I'm Margie with 342 Mad. Today we're going to talk about the very basics of Google Drive and sharing with Google Drive. It is something you probably already have on your computer and may not be aware of it. If you go to Google and you already have a Gmail account, you already have Google Drive. See where the dot side of the menu here? Go ahead and click on that. See where it's got the little triangle with the drive? That's it. Click on it. Now when you open up yours, it is going to be blank, but it's easy enough to fill up. All you have to do is create a new folder. And you could do something like, say you wanted to just share with your spouse tax documents. You'd create a folder that said 2021. You'd have all that info in there. And then the next year you'd have the next folder and so on. If you want to do things that are more related to work and business and you've already got it on your computer, you want to start adding it to this cloud storage, all you have to do is upload a file. You could do them individually or probably more easily for you, you could do a whole folder. Now within the same system, you could also create Docs, which is basically Microsoft Word. Now it's Google Docs. Pretty much the same product, just a different name. Same with the Excel sheets you've got. These are Google Sheets. They're slightly different, but work absolutely the same. The cool thing about this is you can share certain documents relatively easily. Let's say we've got a test sheet here. We're going to just do something there. And now we're going to share it. I'm going to share it with a coworker. I'll do Laura Coyle. And I'm going to make sure that over here where we have the arrow you can click down, editor, she can either view it, she can be a commentator. It defaults to editor, which is great. I want her to be able to go through and say, hey, you've got this wrong or this right, and she can actually fix it. It is now a shared document. I can put a little note on here saying, please look at this. And it will send off to her and she'll be able to get and access it. Now, what about documents that somebody else has shared with you? Well, shared with me. Click on that. You'll find it right there. And you'll notice anytime a file has a little human on it, that means you and someone, at least one other person, are able to access this file. So you want to keep that in mind when you are working on it, that it is a group shared file. Sometimes you just want to make a copy of something. Sometimes you'll open it up and you'll say to yourself, let me work on this file. I might want to Photoshop something or change it or try it myself. I can go to this and I can download it onto my computer. It's not going to affect that one. Then once I'm done making my changes, I can save it as the changed version. So we'd have the original and we'd have my changed version. And because it's a shared situation, my coworkers or anybody else who's sharing that file, they can also look at it and say, I like your changes, but how about this? And comment on it and work from there. It's really very handy. Now, one of the ways you might get shared documents, though, starts with your email. You get an email from somebody and they've got a link to it. You just click on that link and it will bring you right into it. You'll have it set there. And you can see right away who else can be shared with it. See, there's multiple people on there. You can then download this. You can also move this folder if you want to. You've got a chance to rename it, whatever you need to make it so it's more organized for you. It's available on Google Drive. There are plenty of wonderful things with it, and if you're saying to yourself, wow, I wish I did have a Gmail account, maybe you could just start with the Google Drive account by going to google.com/drive. That's where you can start to look into getting the free version with 15G, or maybe you want to purchase it. If you're someone like myself who does a lot of videos, those take up space. I go for the 100G and it's only like $2 a month. Well worth the investment. Check it out. Hope this helped. If we can give you more info on things that can help your business grow, by all means, check us out. We're at 342mad.com, and of course you can also find us on social media.